Hello, welcome to the Hebrew Family Files. If you're new here, you can press the subscribe button and hit the bell to catch more future content like this one. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just a couple activities that you can do with your preschoolers or kindergartners that can help build skills in math, phonics, and even a little bit of science. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this activity, I used these flower stems from a different printable that I had printed off. And what my child is going to do is she's going to pick a number, so let's just pick the 6. And then she's going to have to add pom-pom petals to the flower, and we're going to do that number of petals. The number is 6, so she's going to add 6 pom-poms to the flower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then she'll go through the multiple numbers and do the same thing for all of them. So for this activity, I've lined up a bunch of socks here on the floor, and my child is going to take these socks in this pile and match them to the socks that are lined up and fold them up. So for this activity, I have picked various items here, all sorts of different toys and school things, and my children are going to throw them in the water. And they will have to tell me before they put them in there if they think that the item will float or sink. And we're going to do a little science experiment and figure out what floats and sinks. Then after each item, we can explain why we think it floated or sunk. So for this activity, I've written letters on a long sheet of paper and taped it to the wall, and I'm going to tell my child a letter, and they will have to mark the letter with a marker. Okay, so this is a pound the sound game, and it's using one of the old baby toys that you hit these little pegs with a hammer to make them go down onto the other side, and then you flip it over and repeat. What my child is going to do is she's going to have to pound the letter that I say. So if I say letter D, duh, she'll have to hit it with the little hammer until it goes down in there, and she'll have to do all the letters. And then I have more sticky notes that I will replace these ones with different letters for her to do it again. Okay, those were the few activities that I have for you guys. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.